Photo. Play. If it just wants to kill, it can kill. Because sometimes they've got different, what can I say? So sometimes they kill. I don't think cats kill for fun, but they kill to eat. Okay? So when they kill, usually they kill to eat. I don't know if so, okay, I don't think you've seen the movie, but most of you, I don't think you've seen it. But there was a movie back in the 1990s where lions used to eat people, like the man-eaters. The time they were building the Tazara rail line. Don't know if you've heard of those. So maybe yeah, so there were times when they were building the rail line, lions used to just kill people.
Just because?
They used to call them man-eaters.
Just
for killing for fun.
Oh my gosh, I'm walking in the park and I see it.
So imagine you're waking and then just pops out from nowhere. Just
like from here.
So we're saying cats eat what? What did we say? Cat eats what?
Meat.
They eat meat. So in short, cats are predators. And as we can be their prey.
Hi guys, my name is Ashely and we're down here in MundaWanga. So what we're doing here is called nature talk or nature study. So I'm in Voyager class and my class and I were talking about cats. So like there are two types of cats, which are domestic cats and wild cats.
Hi, my name is Asa. Picking up from what Ashely said, we are here down at MundaWanga learning about our nature study. So, as Ashely said, we are talking in our class, the Voyager class, we were talking about cats. We were talking about the domestic cats, the wild cats. So the domestic cats are basically those we keep in our yard for either security or just as a pet that we can all love. Then wild cats are those that God created to live in the wild, in the jungles, in the bushes and all. They feed on what they find. So it's first come, first serve. The one who finds the first meal gets the first meal. So that's what basically we're learning.
So this is... Oh, I pass it over? Okay, so this is, so the pistil is a female part of the flower and it's right at the center of the flower. Okay, so then we are also going to talk about this, the stamen. He asked about the male part of the flower. So the male part of the flower is called the what? A stamen. Okay, so the male portion of the flower.
Don't damage the flower.
Please don't damage it. We are going to use it for the next one. So he spoke about the male part of the flower and it's called the stamen. Okay, so this one.
Hi everyone, my name is Alinase Zulu and I am from the companion class. Today we were learning about flowers, mammals, insects and grass. So far we've covered the topic on flowers. The one I'm holding here is a rose. Roses come in different colors like peach, yellow, white, and pink, to name a few. We also learned about parsley and other things like beans and lilies. We also learned and we also did an activity with pictures of flowers and putting them in the colors of the rainbow. We had a lot of fun and we are going to continue with our work. Right now, I think everyone is doing grass. I hope you have a lovely day and continue to stay safe from COVID.
Hey guys, my name is Mutinta Shiasa and I'm in Friend class. We learned about seeds, we learned about how seeds grow into plants and trees and flowers. We learned about cats, different kinds of cats like wild cats and domestic cats. We also learned about mammals, like the biggest mammal is the blue whale.
Hi guys, my name is BT Mwese. I'm in companion class. Today we learned about mammals and we learned about flowers. An example of a flower that I learned about, a lantana.
Hi. Okay, so my name is Janet Shamalime. Okay, I was engaging the children in the nature of flowers. So we had fun. We learned about the usefulness of flowers, what flowers can do to our living, what it can bring in our environment. So we had a lot to learn. Okay, so we had to learn about the different types of species of flowers that we have, and it was amazing to learn that we have quite a massive species of flowers and how useful they are to our environment. Yeah, so the kids also got to learn about the dangers of these flowers that surround us and how they can take care of themselves in case they consume flowers that they do not know. Yeah, so we also learned how they can help us heal our bodies in case we are sick or we injure ourselves. We learned also about the beautifulness of flowers, that they bring life to our living. Yes.
Nicola, I am in Friend class. What we're learning today is that we have been learning about different types of seeds and different types of cats. So we learned about a seeds covering and a seeds, most of the things about seeds. So now we're learning about cats. We've learned about wild cats, and wild cats are found in many different countries.
Hi guys, my name is Mulumbe Ngambi and I'm in the Friend class. As Nicola was talking about cats, I'm going to talk about seeds. What we learned about seeds is that there are seeds that you can use for oil, proteins, and seeds that you can also use for food, like different seeds that sprout. There's a part of a seed that is the first part of the roots that goes down into the soil. As the plant grows, there is endoprem. That is what supplies the premature plant with food, oil and proteins. And in a seed, some seeds mostly are rich on oil, but some are also rich on proteins. Some have both oil and proteins. And we also learned about different types of seeds that you can use for eating, like grapes, pineapple, and also oranges and apples. And sometimes at shops you can find those grapes that do not have seeds. Those are not the grapes you're supposed to be eating. The grapes that have seeds are the ones that you're supposed to be eating because they're the ones that are nutritious. So about seeds, we learned that first the roots come out and then the plant starts to grow. And also there's a part in the seed where the two first leaves grow for a plant.
My name is Evelyn Tembo. I'm a counselor in the friend class. I'm at MundaWanga at the moment, where we've had so much fun. In the morning, the friend class had 3 honors. So we did the 1 mammals, and then we had seeds. We also had cats.
My name is Reuben Malindi, Master Guide Reuben Malindi. Came here with the Pathfinders from Lusaka Central Seventh-day Adventist Church. I am a counselor in the Pathfinder Club. I instruct the friend class. Today we had an outdoor event where we were learning nature. We're taking a nature studies. And in friend class we covered basically 3 awards under nature: seeds, mammals and cats. I personally taught the award in mammals, where we looked at different sets of mammals that we have and how what benefits we get from these mammals, what day God created them, and just a lot of other things that the children have developed some interest in. So I'm sure we had fun and we enjoyed ourselves. I also learned from my other counselors who took the class in other lessons like cats and seeds. It was nice to learn together with the kids. We've had fun, we've had a wonderful day, and looking forward to our next outdoor activity. So if you haven't been with us today, please make sure you join us the next time.
Hello guys, my name is Mulumbe Ngambi. I am in Ranger class. I'm going to be talking about the water chestnut tree. This tree grows under the full sun, and it blooms in the winter.
Hi guys, I'm Jerome Shimwambwa. I'm in Ranger class, and today we're looking at the plant, the tree honor. And adding on to what Rupe said about trees, that one of the differences between shrubs and trees is that, for example, trees are tall whilst the shrubs are shorter. Trees grow wider than shrubs, but shrubs grow in more variety. For trees, all branches are further away from the trunk, which means that if you have a trunk, the stems would be further away from the trunks as well as the leaves, whilst as the shrubs grow multiple stems rather than a single trunk. And for trees, as a final one, is that the tree has a bigger trunk than a shrub, whilst as a shrub grows in different directions and has leaves closer to the ground.
Hello, my name is Peggy Banda and we are here at the MundaWanga Botanical Gardens. We are here for the nature study with the Pathfinders of Lusaka Central SDA Church. It is a beautiful day and we love it out here. The sun is brightly shining and we have learned the tree owner, which we have done with the Ranger class. So next time you are with us, we hope to do more. Please make a date and join us for the next nature study.
Hello, my name is Priscah Shimwambwa. I am an adventurer, gate crashing with the Pathfinders. So today I joined the Ranger class, very inclusive. We were learning the tree honor and it's been great. I think it's been very relaxed. We've enjoyed being out in the outdoors, remembering that God created all of this and He's so mighty in the universe. So yeah, we're looking forward to the rest of the afternoon and all the activities that are planned, and you're also welcome to join us. I'm an adventurer, I'm here, Pathfinders inclusive, so be sure to be here for the next one.
My name is Sylvia Mulambo. I'm a counselor for the Ranger class. We were here today to study nature and just to help the children appreciate that God is the creator of everything. Everything that God created was good. And we were also able to identify trees using leaves. And we thank God for technology because we're able to use a mobile application to identify trees by taking a snapshot, and then by taking a snapshot. So parents, let's allow our children to come and be part of these gatherings. It's important. They need to learn more about God and appreciate creation.
And my names are and what we learned in Explorer, we learned about ferns, and the difference between ferns and plants is that ferns are non-flowering plants and some plants are flowering plants, and ferns produce spores but plants produce ferns. And one example of ferns is the ostrich fern.
name is Chitundu Mbewe. Today we had a day out at MundaWanga with the Pathfinders, and we surely had a great time. Our morning, we all split into our different classes and we all had different honors. In my class, we had 4 honors that we had to complete in the morning. And guys, I can assure you, we had a very, very wonderful time learning about mammals. We learned about insects, we learned about flowers, and we learned about grass. So we are going to be having a lot of these outings looking up until the end of the year. And I'm urging each and every one of you out there, if you missed this one, worry not. We're going to be having a lot more, and make sure you attend the next ones. So we had an afternoon of looking at the animals, like animal viewing and animal education, which was very good to learn some things about the animals.
The afternoon was occupied with the variety of animals that MundaWanga has. So it was a great day. We had a great time, and just the feeling of bringing yourself to the level of these kids is just amazing. Yeah, so it was a great day.
Hello everyone, my name is Preach. I'm a master guide and I'm a counselor in the Pathfinder Club. Today we have had a wonderful day at MundaWanga, and we came with all the Pathfinders from our club, starting from friend all the way up to the guide class. Now just to summarize today for you, it's been awesome. When I say awesome, just amazing. The kids have learned many lessons. Some of them have to do with plants, okay? Grass, mammals of which we saw a lot. We saw the lion, by the way, king of the jungle. The kids actually heard the lion roar and they ran away, you know. We also saw the porcupine, amazing as it is, a very distinct little creature. And the kids learned about flowers, the different types of flowers we have in this world, and just the beauty that they bring to us and their usefulness. Flowers, good for medicine. So mine is a calling to parents out there and children out there between the age of 10 to 15 years old. If you need a place that can nurture your kids to learn how to live in this world, not just in church, but out in nature, out with different people, out in society, learn new skills, the Pathfinder Club of the Seventh-day Adventist Church is the place to be. We've got a hike coming in the middle of June actually. So if I were you, I would get in touch with the Pathfinder Club of Lusaka Central Church, get your children registered, and allow them to have an experience like the one we had today. I look forward to seeing you join us the next time around.
the people on the streets, give them what they want.